What we're gonna do is start in a headstand position. You're going to have your arms in this triangle shape. You're gonna place your head on the floor, making sure that you're actually on the top of your head and not arching in your neck and balancing on your forehead. You're going to stay strong in the shoulders. So pushing the shoulders down, and you don't want to round here. You're just going to stay strong in the shoulders. Head is going to go down. You're going to lift your hips up. Here you want to try to flatten out in your spine as much as you can. So get rid of this rounding. Think of bringing this bottom rib as low down on your thigh as you can. From here, you want to keep this flat spine, pushing down into your elbows. You're going to bring one knee into your chest. Again, getting rid of this round as much as you can, flattening out, going into this tuck position. From here, reach for the wall behind you, extend the legs. Now what you're going to do is you're going to drive your heels into the wall and pull your chest away like you're doing a down dog. Trying not to droop in your lower back. Squeeze your butt, pull the chest away. Eyes are going to move down onto the floor. You're going to take one leg off, push down into your hands, and then float the second leg off. And then you've just done your first forearm stand.